Okay, question 23, we've got a circle. And I think you can recognise our circle has got a radius of 5, it being the root of 25. We've got a point P lying on negative 3, 4, and it lies on the circle. Alex says the tangent to the circle at P crosses the axis as negative 8, 0. Is he correct? Okay, here's a diagram of the situation. So there is the circle, radius 5. And we're told that Alex says that the tangent to the circle at P, so it's a line here, crosses the axis point at negative 8 there. So he's saying this. There's the tangent at the point, and it does look as though it crosses negative 8. Now we've got to prove whether he's correct or not. Well, this question is solved by gradients. It's not obvious to start with, but it's by far the easiest way to solve this problem. If I draw the radius in, the gradient of this line is a rise of 4 and a run of negative 3. So the gradient of the radius is negative 4 over 3, which means that the gradient of the blue line is the negative reciprocal of this. This means that the blue line must have an equation something like this. And the good news is that we know a coordinate on that line, which is negative 3, 4. So if we put in negative 3, 4 as x and y values, we will solve for c. So therefore sub. And we get that 4 is equal to, and x being negative 3, I get negative 9 over 4 plus c. So therefore c is equal to 4 plus 9 over 4, which is equal to 25 over 4. Now, what's significant about this point here, which is the point that it crosses the x-axis? Well, what's significant about that point is that y is equal to 0. So if we put y is equal to 0 into our equation for the blue line, we should solve and find the x value. So therefore I can say that 0 is equal to 3/4 x plus our newfound value of c, which is 25 over 4. Multiplying through by 4, 0 is equal to 3x plus 25, and therefore 3x is equal to negative 25, and therefore x is equal to negative 25 over 3. And negative 25 over 3 does not equal negative 8. It is very nearly negative 8, but it is not negative 8. So those are the two answers, that the real crossing point is 25 over 3, and Alex is wrong.